Good afternoon and welcome to today's lesson where I want us to go through the different subtopics that we've covered so far. Okay, remember when we started this unit, we spoke about the front office department where we were able to define what a front office department is, the different subsections in a front office. We were also able to look at the different personnel that we would get in a front office department. We had the front office manager, we had the cashier, we had the reservation desk, we had the bell desk, etc. Okay, we also spoke about the equipment that you would get to find in a front office. We spoke about the paging machine, we spoke about the franking machine, we spoke about the computer, we spoke about a photocopier, etc, etc. So from there we went into the reservation or the reservation desk, where we were able to talk about details about different types of reservation that we would get in an organization. We said a reservation, a reservation department is involved with making reservations for rooms and accommodation. Yeah, so it is actually an activity of booking the rooms in advance for a guest in future. So this is, you reserve. When you say reserve, you're trying to book, yeah, so that when that customer or when that guest will come, but they are not coming now, they will come in the near future. So that is what we call the reservation. So we've got the different functions of the reservation section, which we said was to help the hotel in generating revenue, because when people make this kind of reservation, they also pay. Yeah, so it is one way of the organization collecting its revenue. Okay, yeah, so we've got the different functions of the reservation section, which we also said they also receive reservation requests from prospective guests, check the availability of rooms, and then they process the request and they either accept it or they put it on hold or they deny it. So when they receive this kind of request, yeah, they check on the availability of the rooms. Yeah, so they have an option of either putting the guests on a waiting list, they can accept, or they can deny. Now when we go to guest accounting, we shall find out why or circumstances under which we might deny a guest a reservation in our organization. Okay, so we've got different types of reservation. Now this is ways under which you are able to feed in customers or guest details. We say we've got a guaranteed reservation. Now guaranteed means what? This is something that we are sure. So you see, for a hotel to confirm and for them to book and avail a room for you, it means there are certain things that they will need to do for them to be sure that that reservation is accurate or it being confirmed. So we have got what we say, we have got the prepayment. Yeah, so prepayment means the guest can either make a deposit or they can even pay the full amount. Okay, then the other way that a guest can make a reservation is through a credit card guarantee. So now a credit card guarantee is that they share the card details with the reservation office or the reservation desk, and they are able to get a reservation for that. Then you've got the travel agent guaranteed reservation. So this is where we go through, for example, if you're traveling through if you're traveling through a travel agent, so this travel agent is able to handle all your reservations on your behalf. Okay, then we've got the corporate guaranteed. Now corporate is now where an organization, our organization has another contract with another organization, and they agree on, in case we bring in guests, kindly go ahead and reserve them. Okay, then of course we have the non guaranteed reservation, etc. So when we receive a guest, we've got the reservation inquiry, where we're able to get details of the clients, we get their names, their dates, expected date of arrival, the number of rooms that they require, etc. Okay, then we've also mentioned about the sources of reservation, where we say sometimes this kind of info, when a guest wants to stay in a hotel, there are several sources where they get information about the hotel. So we've got the centralized reservation system, where they're able to see availability of certain information. Okay, then we also spoke about the group reservation. Now group is now where a group of people would make a reservation to or to come to a different hotel. Now we've got a procedure of how a group reservation is conducted in a hotel. So we say a group representative or a member of the travel agency, yeah, shall communicate about the group reservation, yeah. So upon availability, the hotel's reservation department shall block the requested number of rooms for this group. Then the hotel shall give a deadline for the group in order to receive their final list. Then after receiving the final list, the reservation department will change the desired numbers of room status, and they will block them, meaning they will reserve them for that group. Okay, so we also mentioned about devices that are used to track room availability. Okay, so we have the control book, we've got the computerized system, we also have got the wall chart. So I'm just going back just to try and see on areas where perhaps maybe we could have left out. Okay, so in the next audio or in the next video, I want to mention about the registration and the guest accounting. So we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.